Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Network for You. We welcome you all to our Python series Python for Network Engineer. So if you remember in our previous class we cover Python assignment operator, this one. Python assignment operator we already covered. So now we will go for the next operator, that is comparison operator. Let's see. Now we will go for other operator, that is comparison operator. Okay. So if you see here, we have the Python comparison operator. In this class, we are going to discuss about this operator. So let's start. See here, we are going to compare whenever we want to compare any two variable or any string or any types of like values in our code. So we can use this comparison operator. So we have comparison operator here, equal, not equal, greater than, less than. We are going to do in the Python, and we are going to check this one. So when we start writing coding, we are going to use these types of operators. So this is very important. Try to understand this one. This is easy, simple, no issue. Python comparison operator allow us to compare two values and return a boolean result like true or false. Like example, we will use equal to. We can check like 2 is equal to, we need to write double time equal to, then 2. If we write single time, then it is assigning operator. If you want to compare, then you need to write 2 time is equal to. So this is an example, 2 is equal to 2, then answer will be true. And if you want to do something like is by using the string, you can do by using string also. How we can do? We can write like switch is equal to double is equal to router, or router is equal to firewall. Whatever string you want to compare, we can compare by using this operator, that is equal operator. You need to remember 2 time you need to write the equal to. So this is not true, that's why we are getting answer false. And if you want to compare the list, we can compare list also, like SW1 I define here I define SW2. I use the operator double time is equal to, and switch 3 and switch 4. So both are not equal. These two lists are not equal. So answer will be false. And we have other operator not equal to. How we will define? We will define like this way. Let me write here hyphen then not equal to. So the equal to. So this is nothing but not equal to. We can check, if you want to check two variable, you can write 6 and then hyphen this is equal to, means equal to 4 example. So 6 is not equal to 4, answer is true, so you will have the true answer. We can do for string also same like this. Okay, so let me move for the next thing. We discussed not equal to, now we will go for greater than and less than. This is also simple. Just you need to, if you want to compare, we will write the 5 greater than 2, then they will check if it is greater than or not greater than or not greater than, and the answer will be true or false depending upon the condition. Here I use greater than, we have same thing like less than as we are using here, and we can do greater than or equal to by using this operator like this, greater than or equal to. You can write 5 and 4. If it is greater than or equal to, answer will be true. If it is not greater than or equal to, answer will be false. Okay, don't worry for notes, because many guys are asking notes. See here, once we finish this topic, I will give you all these notes. Let me show you. See here. See, this notes is for Python operators. Whatever operators we have how many? We have arithmetic, assignment, comparison, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 operator. We are here only. So when we complete all these, that time I will give one PDF file which is consist of all these notes. Okay, arithmetical, assignment, all this one. So all topic Python operator will be there in one PDF. So don't worry. When we finish this topic from arithmetic to bitwise operator, I will give you the PDF. Okay. So last here what we left, let me check before closing this video. So greater than or equal we have like this, we can use this symbol, and less than equal we can use by this symbol. Let's do in the Python and verify it is working or not working. What I will do, I open the command prompt, we can do here, I will write the IPython. Okay, So IPython will open. Your wish, if you want to do here, you can do here, or if you want to do in the direct Python, you can do, or in the Visual Code Studio. After this topic, we are going to see how we can install the Visual Code Studio. And also GNS3, I think already you know, because we have already playlist, you can watch and try to do that one. And anyhow, for the paid CCNA class, I have a recorded video for how to install that GNS like that. So maybe I will upload that 2-3 video for installing and integrating the GNS with VM. We will see that one. Okay. So now let's see, if I want to compare two variable, how I can compare. I will write 1 space is equal to, then 2, press enter. 1 is not equal to 2, that's why we are getting the answer as a false. Okay, no confusion, right? As I told you, this operator we need to use as whenever you want to compare. 2 times you need to write is equal to. Okay, an example, if you want to see 1 equal to 1, then answer will be true. Let me show you. Okay, 1 space is equal to 1. Okay, then I will put enter, the answer is true. Same thing we can compare the string also. Let me write here any string we can write. I will write network for you. Okay, is equal to network for you. I wrote network for you, long string I wrote. Okay, it is not defined because I did not assign any value inside this one. That's why it is saying it is not defined. So if we want, we can define also, like example, network for you is equal to 1. I will write like this. So now we will compare network for you double equal to, then network for you. So answer is true. Like this we can do as well. As if you want to check, like example, I will write 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, then answer will be true. See here, the answer is true. 5 is greater than or equal to. If I want to write 5 is less than or equal to 5, the answer will be true. Let me check, the answer is true here. If you see, the answer is true. And if you want to check, like what else we need to verify here, we verify greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Let's see only greater than. I will write 3 is greater than 2. Yes, the answer is true. If you see here, the answer is true here. Let's do other one. 5 is less than 2. The answer is false because 5 is not less than true. Okay, so this is a comparison what we use by operators. If you remember here, we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Just remember these types of operation we can perform in Python. Whenever we are writing the code in that one, we are going to use this one. So before closing, let's conclude. Here we learn the compare to value with the Python comparison operator, like equal to. If two items are equal, then the answer will be true. If not equal to means if two items are not equal. Greater than, they are going to compare two variable. Less than, they are going to compare. Greater than or equal to, they are going to check and compare and give the outputs. Less than or equal to also same thing, check if an item equal or less than the other item. Okay, so with this one we finish the comparison operator. In our next class we are going to do the next operator. What is next? Let's see here. This one we finish. So in our next class we are going to learn logical operator. Okay, after this bitwise operator, I am going to show you how to install the Visual Code Studio, and after that we are going to see some more thing, and then we will write basic program how to configure some router or switch. Okay, thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, share with your friend who is interested in CCNA, CCNP and Python. Thank you. Bye.